Hey, Erica here. I'm about to open this Boxycharm box. This is my third Boxycharm box. I'm excited. You've probably seen on Boxycharm's Instagram, if you follow them, that they do sneak peeks. But the reason why I'm doing an unboxing is because there's always different variations than what they post. So this is what I got in my Boxycharm box. This is my first time opening it. I have a knife right here, and I'm excited. I love when they send brushes, but I don't think this box is gonna have brushes in it. Okay. Wander Beauty 20% off, Pharmacy 20% off. Two little codes I get. Oh, it's a little, I always forget, it's a pamphlet. It's not. And road tripping was the theme. So here's all the different products. Let me open the box so y'all can see with me. Okay, so Note Compact Blusher. Let's take this out of the box. Oh man, it's like I don't want to break the box. And as you can tell, my nails are gone temporarily. It's been like a week now. I had gel nails and I kept cracking. I got them done at a place in Orlando that's absolutely sucked. That's another story for another day. But I took them off. So it says Note, really cute, compact. Oh, that's cute. It's like popped out. And then a little brush too. Oh, that's precious. That's really cute. I wish more blush makers put that in there. And it has a mirror too. Oh yeah. For the win. Hold up. I'm trying to like get myself. And I'm not succeeding. Wait, let me see. Can I do it? Oh no. That one. Oh, there it is. Ta-da! That's cute. Okay, anyways. So that's the Note blush that came in this box. I've been with Boxycharm just 3 months. So, okay. And that retails for $11.99 by itself. And it is by Note Cosmetics. This is the No More Baggage Needles No More by Dr. Brandt. Under eye stuff. So, say goodbye to puffy and say hello to youthful, rested looking eyes with Dr. Brandt's No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. This retails for $42 by itself. It's pretty nice. Let's see what it smells like. Not that the smell matters, but I like smells. Well, I don't want to waste the product, so I can't really smell it. I don't know what's that. Okay. Cella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. More eyebrow product. Okay. I guess it's a twist. I don't know how I feel about this. This would be my first time using a brow product with a twist thing. But that retails for $26 on its own. I do like the packaging. I'm not going to let the product out now to see what tone it is, to see if it goes with my eyebrows, but I'm going to hope for the best. Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara by Wander Beauty. This packaging is also amazing. Let's see. I like that it's different, that they put it in a tube instead of a little round plastic thing. I thought it was kind of interesting. Okay, kind of thick. Not a bad, necessarily a bad thing. It's just when I put on my fake lashes, I'm going to have to just be really light with it, with the application. This retails for $24. And this is what I'm most excited about. Crown. In my last box, I did get the, the lady that, well, she's not the CEO, but she's like important within the company of Boxycharm. I did get her palette last month and it was broken. Hopefully that video is up by the time you see this video, but it might not be because I've been so behind editing. But anyway, let me open this box. This is what I'm most excited about. And I love that it's a full palette, not just a travel size palette. This is by Crown. Fuego eyeshadow collection. Retail price $29.99. Look at those shades. It's perfect for my skin tone and very neutral. I like that this palette did not break. I am very happy. And it has a nice sized mirror as well. I love in the eyeshadow palettes when they have the mirror included. I'm very happy with everything I got. I think it's well worth the $21 a month that I spent to get all this stuff. And this retail price is for $29.99. Not sure if I mentioned that before. One thing I really wanted in the box that I didn't get was the Tarte finishing spray. I would have loved to have got that, but I like everything else I got, so I can't complain. And like I said, you know, for 21 bucks ago, this stuff is pretty amazing. So yeah, that was my box. This month, the road tripping box. Let me know in the comments below what you thought, if you liked your Boxycharm box, or if you want to get on Boxycharm, and you know, if you have any questions or concerns at all about Boxycharm, if you like it or not. And hopefully by the time you see this video also, hopefully I've put up my influencer unboxing, because the last one was really interesting. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Till next time. Bye. Oh, if you're wondering what this is on my arm, so the Purr palette that I got a few boxes ago definitely broke today. And then, like, this is what happened, like, within minutes of me deciding to film the unboxing today. So, broke my palette, didn't clean it up from the sink, decided it was the perfect time to wash all my makeup brushes, so I did that. Then I sat down and filmed this tutorial. But yeah, that's what this is. It's a bunch of shimmer highlighter. So yeah, I'm kind of heartbroken about that, but it's okay. It'll be okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.